Today I wanted to do some glittering for a background, and I wanted to use two different colours of glitter. I wanted to use a white glitter and I wanted to use the pale greeny blue glitter, sort of like a chili colour, only I didn't have any, but I do now. All I've done with this is put a little bit of glitter in here, and I did add a couple of drops of alcohol ink. Now it's important that it's alcohol ink because this stuff is made from plastics and the alcohol ink will stain the plastics. All I did was put a couple of drops in here and stir and stir and stir until it all got covered and there weren't any obvious white bits left. So now I've got the two colours. Now I want to alternate these, and I need to get a tool so I can remove the backing paper. This is probably going to be the most difficult part of this. So 1 and 3. Row 5. Now to get my rows done, I used my rolling ruler for 1.5 centimetre gaps. Oh, that is such a pretty colour. Now it's a good idea to burnish glitter into tape because it does make it stay on there so much better. Tape backing off of the other pieces and flood it with white. Let's brush off the excess. Now you have to be careful if you're going to use one of these that it's not too sticky because you could end up damaging your card. I can trim that down now to use it on my card front. I stuck my panel onto a grey backing card just to be different, to have something other than white on the back. And so this card is ready to be finished off. Now you could, if you want to, do it this way, landscape mode. I'm actually going to do this portrait mode, and I have got my sentiment here which I cut out, and this has been backed with a piece of grey foam, so I didn't have to stick lots of different layers together, just the one layer of foam will do it nicely. Put some glue on the back and put this down around there, I think is about where it needs to be. And then I'm going to finish off with a few glitter stars just sprinkled around the top. Here's the finished card. As you can see, just a few stars on there, and I've kept it within the colour scheme by using just silver stars. I think that looks really nice and I'd be very happy to receive that as a Christmas card. I'll give you the file for the sentiment here, and I'll also give you the file so that you can draw these lines if you wish to, and then you've got them as a guide. But yeah, I think that's really very pretty. Hope you've enjoyed the video, and have a look at some of the others that I've done. See you again soon.